couple of weeks from now, I'm heading to another bike tour. That's gonna be probably the last one out of Florida. But yeah, let's go and ride, and I can show what I'm carrying when I'm on my bike tour. I have been bike touring last 5 years, almost 5 years, and I need to show you guys what I'm getting when I'm on the bike tour. This is the Spanish Pond. It's a beautiful area. Today is overcast, but it's not raining. There you go. I think there's a good spot to lay my stuff out. Alright, we got so much rain last week, and the rain continues because of the hurricane season. But I think this is a good spot. Okay, I'm in Spanish Pond now, and I wanted to show you guys what I'm carrying when I'm on the bike tour. This is my bike packing setup. My food bag, handlebar bag, I have the saddle bag, and then I have a frame bag, and there's a small bag for tools and stuff. So let's get started. So basically, the handlebar bag has sleeping bag and sleeping pad, and our frame bag has tools and my binoculars, and I have a couple of water bottles here, and my GoPro and light and a phone holder. And here I have extra bag for my medical kit. So that's how it looks like. I'm using a GoPro, and I have the media bag around. It keeps the wind noise down. And also I have the small computer, CATEYE. So when I'm riding I can see how fast I go. I have the small mirrors. There's a CATEYE mirrors too. I like those. And in the back I have another light. That's really bright actually. Look. It blinds you. Here I keep my sunglasses, yellow ones, or I have these darker ones for brighter day. I'm using a Apidura Expedition series bike packs, and I love those. I had them since the beginning. They last forever. It's easy to unattach. Look. Let me show you what's inside. So these are my clothes. I'm carrying 3 pairs of everything. My shirts, underwear and socks. And I like to keep them in the bag so that way it will be more organized. So I had a vest, downy vest. So this is really good. It keeps you warm in a cold day. Oh, I forgot. I have the backpack. Let me take this off. There's no point to carry it. So I have my laptop here. Since my work is online, I have to have my laptop with me. And yeah, I feel like retired, but I'm not. I'm self-employed, helping out the companies with the website and all the stuff what's needed, and online advertisement. That's what I do for a living. In this bag, 3 pairs of underwear, 3 pairs of socks. So that's a long sleeves. And I have my shirts. So one is extra for riding, another one is for sleeping in the tent. If I go for a longer period of time, I like to get 5 pairs everything. Except shirts. Shirts maybe 3 or 4. So as you see, I can fit everything in here. So what else I have in the bag? This one is windbreaker. You need it. When it's cold in the morning, you put the windbreaker on and it keeps you warm. So that's a rain jacket. You need that. It won't take any space. Ultralight, but it keeps you dry. So this is my cooking ware. So my stove is in here. That's very small, tiny. It does the job. That's all you need. So I have this small, just in case if I want to drink a tea on the side or something. So it's foldable. And it goes at the bottom of my, see, it's easy. Easy busy. And that bolts together too, so it won't take any space. And I have some other stuff here. Oh, let me show you one more thing. I bought a mini, it fills mattress easily, but I don't know, this battery won't last. I have to recharge every time I use it. Or maybe something is wrong with it. But yeah, I can use it, but it won't last longer than one blow. Let's see what else I have. Oh, yeah. That's my toiletries. I have all the toiletries, my shampoo, toothpaste and toothbrush and everything I need. And guess what? That's my new Nemo tent. It has even poles here. It's a freestanding tent. I love the old one, but it's starting to worn out. It's been already 5 years, so I got a new one. And probably I'm gonna send the old one back to the factory and let them fix it. And then I have two. In case if I wanna take somebody with me. And it won't take any space. Look at that, how small it is. It's less than 2 pounds. 1.9 pounds. Ultralight. Alright, let's put everything back. And everything fits into this saddle bag. I keep everything in bags so that everything would be organized. When you are on the bike tour, you don't want to have your stuff all over. You need to know where it is, where it belongs, so that you wouldn't lose anything. That's the main thing. Everything I have is pretty pricey, so if you want to get the ultralight stuff, you have to pay. So you don't want to lose it. And look, I still have a space here. So yeah, let's put it back. So I'm not gonna take it off, but I have the sleeping bag and sleeping pad rolled together, and it's in the handlebar bag. I have all the stuff here. That's my food bag. I have more food than I need. And I keep it always here, so when I need to go, I go. I don't have to start looking what I should get. I have everything ready already. So I want to keep everything ready, so just grab my usual stuff and go. If I go for overnight ride or month long, it's pretty much the same. Maybe I'm gonna grab a couple more shirts, but that's all. So let's see what else I have. So half frame bag has my binoculars. Since I'm a birder, so I need to have my binoculars with me. You need a sunscreen because otherwise you're gonna be burned up. I have my Pro bike pump. I love it. It's really good. Premium dry condition chain lubricant. Yeah, I like this one. What else I have? Oh, you need that one. When you go into store or going to eat, you need to lock it up. It takes only a moment. I always lock it up. So let's see what else I have. So, oh, let me show you the other side. The other side has a zipper too. And I have my power bank here. to charge my electronics. So the cables, I can keep the cables here, or I can keep the cables in my computer bag. This one has some tools, and I have a couple of tubes. I haven't needed after I got these Volvo Marathon Plus. They are touring tires, and no flats, no punctures. So what else? But just in case, I have 2 tubes here, and I have water bottles. So my medical kit in here, and my rag. When it gets really hot, I just wipe it off like that. Yeah, and then I have my backpack. I believe it's a 22 liter from REI, Flash 22. If you like this one, get it. It's lightweight, and it fits a lot. It won't look like you have backpack on. When I'm riding, I don't feel that I have backpack on. That's how it looks like. Oh, and I have my funny bag. I keep my GoPro here. That's the same one I'm using right now. I just keep it right here. Then I have the wallet, but it has to be chained. If you open the zipper and forget to close it, then it won't fall out. So my computer is in the wet bag, just in case if it starts raining, so it won't get wet. And my laptop is in here. See? All the cables and chargers, and they're all in here. Everything has to be organized. I love this bag. See? You don't even feel it. So that's how it looks like. So this is my phone holder. I love this one. I had this one since the beginning, and I can turn it sideways. I can watch movies if I want to watch something when I'm riding. That's a bad idea. And it's tight, it won't go anywhere. Aluminum, and I can turn this way or that way, or however I want. Alright, that's all. So one more thing, when I'm traveling on Amtrak, overnight travel, you need actually a couple of comfort things. You need a pillow, I'm using for camping, and when I'm riding a train. And another thing I have, you know, it gets cold at night in Amtrak overnight, so you need a blanket. So this is my travel blanket. I usually keep them in my backpack. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you then.